What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Thank you for joining me. If you are new here, please go hit that subscribe button. Helps out the channel tremendously. Anyways, we're going to see if we can't rejuvenate this old vise with this $5 product I bought at Home Depot 5 to 8 years ago. Let's see what it does. In tonight's video, we will see if Metal Rescue Rust Remover Gel works after being purchased 5 to 8 years ago for $5 on the clearance shelf at Home Depot. Let's see what it will do with this vise. So do not ingest, use gloves, don't want contact with the eyes. Then you're supposed to wrap it up. We'll see how it goes, all right? We're going to test it out. You're supposed to clean up what you're going to do. This has been in a garage for a long time, so let's just slap some on, see what happens. As you guys can see, I mean, it's a cool vise, but there you go. I'm not going to go too much into it. We're just going to try and get this right back to where we need it. So this will strip the bare metal, but see if it works. If I have to do a little painting, I'll do a little painting. Start with this. See what this stuff looks like. Well, we got a cover on there. So it says it's good for up to 1 year after opening. It has a smell to it. Alright, so this is a little bit of bonus material for you guys. That video didn't go great, but it's a step in the right direction. Let me show you around the garage. Today I'm going to be cleaning it, but I have to one step at a time, like one section. I can't blow it all up and do it, but I'll give you a quick look around here. So probably start with the hooks and stuff, and then that's a project for somebody. There's a couple of projects for somebody, like this is custom baseboard here that I have to make for someone. Got ruined in a flood, but I just gotta go through and start organizing all my stuff, putting it where it needs to be, because for the New Year's, you know, that's what needs to happen, is everything needs to go in its right place. I gotta stop putting stuff down. I usually keep things very organized, and if I get to a point, I start organizing more. But we're at that point in my little shop inside, you know, is just, it's bad. So I want to get this all cleaned up so I can make videos for you guys, but let me go through it. There's some interesting tools and stuff I've gotten in the last year or two, and some automotive stuff, and I'll show them to you. But yeah, let me get this crap cleaned up. Well, I told you it'd be pure chaos getting that corner a little bit cleaned up. Have to roll into that. I did start on the box. Got this vise on a job, and I was gonna make a video redoing it. It's a cool, very cool old vise. Prentice. I painted it tonight, oiled it, got it mounted. Finally have a vise out here, but it's working good. I did paint the jaws. I might take them off and redo that, but it is what it is. I mean, it's working good. Nice smooth, and it opens wide. I mean, this is not big jaws, 4-inch, but like just overall in terms of a vise, works out well. Yep. So we'll get this all figured out in the morning. Just got finished up, got the wife's car in, and few little things to put away there, but got my planer, belt sander, tabletop sander, router table, flooring saw, other stuff up on the shelf. Then you come over here, got the dust collector, got my tile saws, tiling stuff, flooring. Table saw still lives down there. Just picked up this piece of plywood from somebody who's getting rid of it. These are for my scaffolding. I need to take them over to be with that. Got that all organized. Have a few miscellaneous things. This, I always keep scrap wood in the middle here. There's some 2x4s and furring strips and lots of other stuff, and this stuff is the PVC wood, so it sort of protects it, but I just drive right over it. Bead blaster, tank, you know, ladders and stuff. I still have a little bit to do in that corner. 2 projects going on here, but this is all done. Vices on the table. So yeah, that's it, you know. Whew, and these are all organized, like, just to show you. My electrical drawer, finally got that in order. Stuff like that. Boom. 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 So more to come, but just want to give you an update.